Always an interesting debate, Donald, about when athletes compete, and of course the timing of champs and the intensity of champs immediately predating Carifta leads to a lot of debate every year about whether athletes should be coming here. For some of them, of course, this is going to be the pinnacle of their athletics careers for them, but for others, it's still an important stopping point.
It is, but one of the things that has improved significantly over the years is the level of coaching. So coaches know how to get their athletes to peak when it's necessary. So that's very helpful as the boys, a break at the start, lane number 5, Jelino Hamlet of Barbados. Didn't appear to be too comfortable in the blocks. He has his hands over his mouth at the moment. See the replay here now. Lane number 5, that's where the camera will focus. Went out of the blocks. He's not too happy. I always say that athletes, yes, it's clear that you would have moved out of the blocks, but don't give the officials any benefit to see that you may be the one who would have been at fault. Behave as if nothing has happened.
I wonder who this could be. I wonder which of you guys.
Confirmation of the red card for a false start. Lane number 5, Jelino Hamlet.
Of course, it's always tough, especially for young athletes. You've traveled all the way from Barbados. You've competed at your inter-house. You've competed at the BSAC, and then you've made your way all the way from Barbados to come here, and that's where you are.
So they're settled back in their blocks. So we have a shot of the high jump in the background. In the set position. Off they go for the second section. Off 2. The times on the bubble, 49.58 and 50.10. On the outside in lane number 8, the Grenadian, Cachet Stephen, comes in with 50.23. Down the backstretch, running strong, Geron Henry of Antigua and Barbuda. He now goes by Stephen of Grenada. So Antigua and Barbuda's Geron Henry with the advantage at this point, at the 150-meter mark now. And it's Geron Henry of Antigua and Barbuda who leads the charge as they turn for home. Top 3 will advance to the final. And Henry, well away from the battling or chasing pack. Peter on the inside of Jamaica. He's conserving a lot of energy here, but shows his class on the inside. But Henry of Antigua and Barbuda wins it. Peter in second, and third is Fritz Caden of the British Virgin Islands.
An important lesson for young athletes as you look at Peter there. He knows that he's coming in as the favorite, and he knows that he only needs to make the top 2 in order to advance. He has the measure of the field. He just does what he needs to do to get into the final. Lane probably immaterial for him. He's happy wherever he lines up, so long as he is amongst the final 8. 49.39, not the quickest semi-final. 49.3.